Hey everybody, Drew here with Epic Arms and Outdoors. Today we're going to be looking at another Asher Knives folding knife. This is the Nomad Framelock. So this is another fairly new design from Asher Knives. It's been out 3 or 4 months now, and similar in style and everything to their Nomad and Nomad 2.0, which we'll go over in another video. But wanted to give some basic specs and do a quick paper cut test, cardboard cut test, and whatnot, and just kind of show off the knife for you guys. So without further ado, we'll go over the specs. To start off with, your overall length is going to be 7.4 inches. Your scale or handle length is 4.2 inches. Blade is a 3.2 inch CPM S35 VN steel stone washed drop point blade. That is a mouthful. Very simple as far as the etching on the blade goes. You've got S35 VN on the back and the Asher Knives logo on the front. It is thumb stud deployment, and as mentioned previously, it is a frame lock design. And this is a stainless steel frame with G10 show side scale and then a G10 back spacer. You do get a tip up only pretty much deep carry. You've got a little bit sticking out up here at the top, reversible pocket clip there, and it is running on brass caged ball bearings, and we'll see if we can get you a close up of those. You can kind of see the brass peeking through there. And as far as blade centering goes, pretty spot on. Very smooth deployment, and no wiggle side to side or up and down. So there is the Nomad Framelock. We'll do a quick paper cut test and a cardboard cut test. We've got a quick piece of printer paper here, recycle always, and to show you how sharp it is. And just like the Spyro, I did rotate these out, obviously. Throughout the past couple months, I'm always getting new blades in to test and review for you guys. And I actually did use the Nomad a little bit more than the Spyro, but again, no real issues. I'll probably use the new Work Sharp Precision Adjust, whatever the name is, the poor man's Spyderco Sharp Maker, or whatever you want to call it, really, to sharpen that blade up just a little bit. Got a Amazon box here. No real issues with that either. Always fun cutting up stuff. So there is the Nomad Framelock. I may have misspoke just a second ago and called it the 2.0. That's up here off screen. But size-wise, compared to the Spyro, pretty much identical once you get them laid side by side. And then, just in case, we've got a couple more. We've got a Delica, an Elementum, and a Rat 2. Just for quick size comparison, the Nomad Framelock being in the middle there. And as far as price goes, just like the Spyro, you're looking at $75 for a S35 VN Framelock. Pretty dang good deal, if you ask me. I've had no issues with any of the Asher knives that I have so far, and they stand behind their products and have always answered any questions I've had with said products. Speaking of questions, if you guys have any about anything on the table or want me to review anything specifically, leave those in the comment section below. Would appreciate if you have not done so already to subscribe and like this video. Thanks, and y'all have an awesome day.